A South End United siding. Now it appears to me that Q453 is in the siding here at United. This is South End United. We drove all the way out here. Oh, is that crew swap? Hmm.
Alright, 73 ahead, clear one.
Is that just a locomotive? It looks like it's just a locomotive. Lead engine looks like it'd be... Can't even see because of the headlights are so bright. 873, I believe? Alright, so the gates are just going back up.
673 switches in the hand throw position line for our movement main for the siding south.
873, yep.
Get up about 10 cars, couple up.
Alright, looks like they're coupling up to Q453's head end. Yeah, it looks like they're hooking up to the front end of Q453. Yeah, that's exactly what they're doing. I think the head end power must be shot or some instance. I don't know. Probably that's why they were having issues today. They were running into some trouble, maybe some power trouble. It's the -9 on the front end.
Ready to go. Good joint. Good. Bump out of mid.
Alright, they just connected to the head end of Q453 here at the United siding. South End United. So this is Q453 with 55 cars. Coming over to switch at South End United. That's a horn. Wow. $873. 9017 to -9. 5245. Crawling out of the United siding, baby. Yay, stopping. They're just pulling on out. Oh, I know what they're doing. They're dropping off the autoracks here at United. I know exactly what they're doing. come back about 10 cars. Here we go. Please excuse me while I take off my radio, the camera.
And my phone is not.
Backing on up.
Come on.
2 more.
Yeah, that would be good. Take a 3. Another 3.
Phew.
Long cars. Hour and a half yet.
All right, so what we're actually looking at right here, if I zoom in, probably see it. The headlights are actually shining against what is the remainder of Q453's load. The cut that they're putting in right now into United Siding is the autoracks that is for Palm Center, which is south of us. So by the time they get done with this switching move and, you know, do all their brake tests and whatnot for the rest of their 55 cars that they have for Hialeah, they'll come on south and we'll pace this train to West Palm Beach. Hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. It's gonna come forward. Looks like they already cut off the racks for Palm Center. They're going to come forward and connect their power onto the remainder of their train, which is sitting out on the main here at United Siding. Let's get some more horn. Why don't we? Listen to those GEs roar. Give us some horn, Mr. Engineer. Give us some horn.
That'll be good.
Right there at the crossing.
Alright, switch the line, hand throw, take it up for about 20. I'm back about 4 times. Three more.
All right. This is Q453. I'm guessing this is it now. The rest of the stuff pulling on out.
Get down in about 3. I'm off. Figure 8 hit 3 more.
So pretty much ES44AH, CW40-9. Nice. And I believe the 5245 is also I think that's an ES40 DC. I don't know. I wouldn't know. Anyways, all made by General Electric, baby. No EMDs here.
Back,
All right, doing the hand throw, getting to the rest of the load.
Locking up on the way.
All right, the conductor's on the back of the load.
once I get my pickup, I'm gonna put 2 seats on the back of the truck, and I'm gonna put to sit back there with a cooler of Coke and
We
chips.
gotta do it. You guys hear these ideas? Don't steal them.
Huh?
You guys hear these ideas? Because I'm
Yeah.
still recording. Don't steal them. Okay. Well, maybe you can, but try to hook up to the rest of this train that is sitting on the main line.
Yeah, well, you just gotta give us a sign.